Okay, my fellow developers, right? So now make we start off from where we stop. So now since we don't do everything, right? We don't make sure say our routes they work well, right? You guys we don't see how to bill, right? We can charge and so on and so forth. So it really makes sense, right? So if I come to my database, okay, we get two users. We get at least premium user they work, we know, starter they work, we know, but then make we just create another user, right? Maybe another premium user so that we will just use and test the whole thing. So make I come here, I use starter. So make I do this Fremont, copy, so it is Fremont. So Fremont, then paste time we do this. So we expect them to create, right, navigate us to paystack. So from paystack we click here, it takes us to so our confirm, and it route us to create the account. Yeah, so I remember say we'll suppose do some fixing here, but it's fine. So if we come to our database, we're sitting at 3 now. So they see this Fremont, so everything they good. So from here, we click here, take us to sign in. So these are sign in. We fit do this, right? So if we click on this, suppose take us to our dashboard, right? So we'll see welcome back, Fremont, and we can sign out. That's good, brilliant, beautiful, right? Okay, so we did shows everything they work fine. So make a log out here now. Since we get all paid account, right? Make we test for free account because free account suppose they kind of different. So more it's here. So we hit here, take us come here. So more say freedom, right? So make us say freedom. So I'll go say freedom at test and hit this. Boom. We get the crash, right? Okay, more explain what's in the happen here. The first thing I say, remember I say we need money. So this thing need is see money, right? So you know go allow here's our register. Yeah, this screen. So this our code here no go run precisely this side here, right? E no go run, and because of that eventually e go make our code crash, right? So wetin we go do for this now? The thing wey we go do na say this code should only run, right, this side of the code, this side. So here we go say make here only run, right? Here should only run if and only if this na paid account, right? Otherwise it's no point for am to go through that process, right? So make I just come down here. Good thing say we don create that endpoint for where that our action. Okay, make I click here. So this side here, right? So this side now they create the plan, right? Or now they create the user. So we already create this. So we will come here, put condition, right? So we go make either of them run. So wetin I go first of all do, make I just comot this place. Then here, make I just put this guy here first. Okay. So we'll come back there. Then make I cut here, then we'll see it might work or it should work. So we'll just comment here, make I cut here. This this error all this and this stuff all this here. Now they try look where they come from. Okay, so make I carry this guy down here. So this finally I don't need that. So these they come from here, right? Okay, so good. So more comota. So we go say I believe say we dey get this service plan, right? So we go say if do we need that? Make I just so say if plan okay. Someone say plan value is not strictly equals to 3, then this should happen, else this one angle happen. So this one I will carry come put here, then why this one I will carry put here. Okay, so make we put all the things we this one need. So we need company name, and we call am company name. So move say company name, comma, we need email, and let's say na email color, we need password, then we need plan. So we call am plan value. So now the 3 things we need this. So this one will return this, and for here I should say make I just do this so that everything go balance well. Okay, good. So still compiling, and when you don't finish compile, we go work. Now of course I don't like this 0 what they see here, right? We will fix them. So this one are free, abi? Yeah, are free. So make we manually put them free, right? So we'll start again. So make us say freedom, we'll hit here. Okay, so you know crash, right? So more come here, we'll see, and if we come here fuller, we'll see our free, right? Okay, good. But you see say this thing still there, so it will just do now. Say okay, if this code don't run, so we'll say then make a sort of like redirect us. So where you go redirect us to now? To sign in, right? That's the best place for them to take us. So make a redirect us to / sign in. Do I need to pull return? I don't think, but make I just pull that return, sha. Okay, so make I do pull one here. Control A, Control C. Oops. Let's wait for it. Okay, so let me say free more. So free more at test.com. Control A, Control C, Control V. So we hit there. So it takes us to sign in, right? Meaning the account should have been created. So make I refresh here, we see 5. Awesome, right? So now make us say free more, hit here, and wait for it. Awesome. So this is free more account, right? Brilliant, beautiful. Okay, now wetin we need to do be that, right? So don't do am, it don't make sense. Now another thing what I go like us to do na say we dey build this thing for SAAS, so e no really make sense say our header dey like this. I no want make our header dey like this, so I go want make the header dey like this rather. I feel say that style make better sense than this one we dey see here. Okay, so make we do that, right? So I go come to do? I think this is our main layout, right? And we'll put so I reason, okay, so make I just kind of like duplicate this side again. So what I go put here, this register I feel say making the then y for here I go use dashboard. So my dashboard startup. So if I save, right, I'm not supposed to see this. Yeah, so we get something like this. Brilliant. Now it's how I want with this. Okay, so now um inside our components, right? Yeah, so we'll create our own layout. So if I come here, majorly wetin I need na just say this, right? I fit name am anything, or rather make I just do Ctrl+A Ctrl+C. So I go remove wetin I no want. So inside this dashboard here, I'll create layout, right, dot txx and paste. Of course I would need to remove a lot of things, so I don't need this z sef, I don't need am, this css I don't need am, I don't need this as well. So a lot of things go start to dey shout, so make we comot all the things wey we remove. In fact, then this one go be div, yoa. So this db make I remove am as well. So everything suppose dey okay now. So make I just refresh this. Trying to rebuild, and make I refresh here as well. Abort. Okay, brilliant, right? So we get our stuff back. But now here e go dey interesting. Why? Because I wan put a sider, right? So I want make a sideline run here. So why this thing dey show me? Okay, address. I believe say e go do. Make I refresh, because I no dey see anything wey dey cause am. Still dey show. Why? Text content does not match server render. Which of the text content in the HTML? It will go away, but it's not the serious matter like that. Okay, so now the next thing we will come do for here now, na say okay, I go come say make I put sider here, right? So inside here, make I say components. So inside there, I will call this my sider, right? Okay, so make I just put another sider here. So more just call here like sider. So inside here, I will give a class name. Maybe we will do a width of maybe 250 px. Make I say border right, and I say height go be 100 vh. So if I save that, come here and do the save there. So I won't give them a background color, bg slack maybe 50. So we dey see now. I no like okay, so so where we dey see this guy. So this guy we want make it dey here, right? Okay, so wetin we go do now, here we go fix am. So these two guys, make I cut them off. Make sure say dem dey inside the div and paste. So inside there, I will do a class name and I will give am flex. So if I give am flex, then go dey side by side. Brilliant. So I need to see that space again. Now another thing I go quickly do right before we leave here. Now say I want make here dey fixed, sort of like so wetin I mean, because here go eventually grow. Remember say all our pictures dem go dey here, right? So if I come inside maybe like this page here, and here I say make here be like h to be maybe do 150 vh. So make we give am a background color so that we go see wetin we dey do. So make I say like red, right? So if I save now, so I see this, but see this stuff here. So this thing na error. You know, if you imagine say your footer, so for example make I hit here and waiting for that to load. So waiting for am to load. But then the point why they try bring up now say, you can see, okay, good. See, I dey scroll down here. You see say here need dey move along, or here no overflow, right? Even though as I dey scroll here. But if you see this our own, right? You dey see this overflow, e no make sense, right? So to quickly fix that up, make we come back to the layout. So inside the layout, which na here, right? I go cut here. So I fit say make I paste this thing here. So if I save, nothing really change. But here now, make I give am a class name of fixed. So if I fix am, e go stay, but there's a problem. The problem na say, you see say e don stay, e no dey move, but we no dey see that our red background again. Why? Because the background don enter inside here. Just to make sure say una dey see am and dey follow us through, right? So make I come back to my page. Now for the width, make I give am a width of let's say let's say 500 px. So if I save that, so you see say e stretch out come reach here. Or make I, if I come to so if I come to this cider and make I say opacity, I give am like maybe 55, right? So wetin go happen na say you dey see that red and you dey see the write up, so we do, right? So e no make sense like that. So wetin we go come quickly do na say, okay, inside this our layout, remember say I need to touch this cider, but inside this our layout here, so I go come say, okay, here now, make here get a width of maybe full. So make I say full. So in get a width of full, right? Then this side here, right? This side here. In fact, make I first of all remove it. So the thing what I really want to now say, I want make this thing start from here rather than me it come from here. So make it come from here. So make I come here, I go say class name. So make I give am flex. Then I go say justify content end. So if I do that, of course I need to say width to be full, right? If I say width full, right, meaning you go take this full width, you know, the show, but so make I give here like 100 vh or wh. Okay, so if I do 100 wh, okay, so why am I not saying it? or English now. So make we see it definitely they come from here. Make I remove this first so that more track can well. Where is you? Where are thou? Oh red. Oh, my bad, right? So my children I don't go cut and comot. Yeah. So you see say this guy don't start from here. Brilliant. But remember say ultimately this our page here no be wetin we want the height to be, I mean the width to be with this. We want am to be full, right? So if we do am full, e full everywhere still, right? E full everywhere. But wetin we really want na say see this side now dey cover our text here. So that one no make sense. So wetin we go come do na say okay, this full screen, right, minus this part here. So we go come, remember everything na here we go do everything so that we no go come dey make mistake. So now this our full here, wetin I go do first na say I think I no even need this, right? So make I save, nothing suppose go wrong. Then so rather than this 100 view 100 the width full, I go come do maybe calculate, then I go say 100 VW minus, we know say na 250 be that, right? So 250 px. Make we save more, see how e go look like. Okay, good. So rather than this part here, right, now here we wan comot am from, right? So we want make this thing start from here. So since we don do this part, so wetin I will just do sha na to just cut here, call a div, then paste this here. So inside here I go say make the width dey full, then give am a flex, then the justify go come end there. So that one suppose make am start from here exactly. So this justify end wey we get here, we no really need am there, na here we need am. Okay, so we get this, right? So now wetin I go just do for here, make I enter here back, remove this opacity wey we put here. So if I remove am, this thing go full back, right? Okay, so we see some pixel error here, right? So we see some pixel error there. So make we go back. So if I come back here, so make I do maybe like 55. We'll see how it looks. Okay, so make I say 60. Oops, things are punch. 65. They're quite fair, but maybe 80 would be nice. Okay, so we get that. Now I fit come inside this is my page now, not this page. Inside this page now, this red my remover. So if I remove them, everything looks quite okay, right? So just to make am make sense, right, and give am some beauty. So inside this our layout for here, right, I'll do maybe padding of 4, then I will say border, then rounded to be MD. To save that, most I look like okay. So I no like the fact say they touch up here, so I go give am maybe like M of 4 as well, right? So that we'll see space here. Brilliant. So it make better sense, but I not too like this push here. So make we say my, then mx, maybe mx go be 2. So most SAAS look like. Okay, make acute sense now. Okay, so na like this we fit use do this styling. So this one dey here, right? So wetin I go quickly do? So wetin I go quickly do na say okay, make I say um make the mean height be screen, right? So make my mean height be screen. So the height wey I apply for here, I go come remove am, this height here. So I just remove am so that it go dey well, right? Better, better. I feel that screen too much, so make we do maybe 90 VH, right? So I no want see this scroll bar. So 90 too much, right? So 90 too small. So make I put maybe 97. So I want make it cover well. Okay, it's fair, right? It's fair. Better, it's fair. Yes, so now here we go dey start from, right? Make acute sense. So now we'll just do some few things. The first one I say okay, we'll put their image, the name, the plan. Then if you did free plan upgrade, we'll put that upgrade button, right? So make we quickly do am. So now inside this our cider, and we will do am. So make I feel okay for here make I say empty to be like ma see wetin 10 look like. Okay, oops, so it should be PT, right? Yeah, makes sense like that. Then for here I feel do padding X to be 2, right? So that mainly they touch the edge. Makes sense like that. Okay, so now make we do that. So make I say image, right? So I will get an image today here. Okay, so make I say div. So div, and give am a class name. Make it get a width of maybe 14, height 14, then rounded to be full, then make I do a border radius. So most as it look like. Okay, not bad. Then I'll put another div. Inside this div, make I put so the name, right? Then so make I say the name present plan. So now I'll do P. So I'll just say plan. So now I'll save that. Okay, good. So for here, this one will be flex and make it get a gap of maybe 2. We'll see. Okay, not bad. So yeah, I'll give them a class name of font semi bold, uppercase, and text, make text be like maybe 14 px. Okay, and so here class text to be like 12 px, and let's say empty 3. What's that look like? Makes sense like that, right? Then under here we'll put upgrade, right? So that should be here. So um so make I say button, so upgrade, yeah. So class name bg blue, text to be white, um rounded to be md, then first, then of course py to be maybe 4 or 2, then px to be 5, then text to be maybe 12px. Then of course I go wan put font, so make I say font to be semi bold. Okay, so I no like the curve to curve, so more say sm, right? Makes sense. This 14 look too small, so make I do something like maybe 16. Okay, it's fair. Yeah, so they click on this button to upgrade. So now for this side here, actually now image I want make it dey here, so make I just do p, and so inside there I go say um flex juc itc, so make that p be center, then font to be bold. Okay, yeah, so this one no bad. So here I would say mb to be like maybe 10. So make I close here. So for here, this one now will be like the stuff. Wetin be the stuff? So like the navigation, right? So then go click and go dey here, right? So make we quickly do that. Now before we do that, I want make we come create, we will export this thing comot here sha, but make we say const nav data. So that one go be an array, so we'll get object. So make I say url, never know, title, we'll say all photos. I like make it get icon, so icon I fit say md photo. Okay, I say photo album. Okay, so we get this. Is there any other thing we fit add? Okay, after for up, so we'll say id 1. Okay, so we get this. Now make I just duplicate this, so here go be 2, here go be 3, and maybe make here be 4. So this one go be slash, right, which is our dashboard. Yeah, so we'll just make and say our dashboard. Okay, so this one go be, make I say slash dashboard, so slash dashboard. So we'll say slash, so slash so I say memories. So we'll say favorite, and we'll say Some will be like maybe best photos, right? So it's how called which image I'll use. So make I do person. No, that one will look. I might just stop here. But we can have as many as possible. So inside here now, I will just do this. Then so make we say nav data dot map. So I'll do props. So I'll say div. Okay, so inside here, make I say props dot title. So if we save that, right, I suppose see them here. Okay, so that's good. Now make we style this guy to look better. So I'll say class name Madu my to be 2. Make we do border. Make we do rounded to be MB. Okay, let's see how MB will look like. Okay. So make us say PY to be like maybe 3. Most I look not bad. Then PX P left right must say 2. Okay, good. So the next thing I will quickly do now say on over, make the background color change to that's our blue 90, and on over, of course, make the text change to white. So if we save, we'll not see any difference except when we over. Now the thing to appear, so we'll say transition all and duration. Make we take out to be 300. Okay, yeah, so that's better. Then another thing we will quickly add now, say cursor to the pointer. Okay, good. So I don't like the fact say we dey see this, right? So wetin I go do now say make I say border to be slate 50. Save because yeah, so that's good. Now this side here, so they touch themselves, so I don't like that. So this make I try 20. Okay, it's fair. Now so make I do uppercase. Okay, so text to be 12px and font to be bold. It's okay, or be semi bold. Okay, so one last thing we will quickly do now to add the icons. So make I just comot this, and here make I say flex ITC. So here we'll just call this slash this. So I'll quickly duplicate that. So here will be props dot icon. So here we just paste. Okay, good. So make I say gap to be 2, and I think I should increase this. Oops. So for here, that's a class name text to be like maybe 20px. let me say 18px. Okay, so this is not bad. So remember that you can, of course, if you add more. So remember that if you add more. Now down here we just put maybe logout, right? Down there. So for here now, I will just put flex one, so that inside here, if we call this, then I will call button. Is there need for button? I'll just go to call button. So this one will be log out. So this logout component, okay, well, no matter. So make we just put our logout component down here. So so right here I will say flex and flex call. So that will automatically push this guy down. So here I'll give you a class name of flex, and let me see, class name flex one. So I have height, yeah. So here make us say MB5, so may come up small, no make sense say the touch done. Okay, so I'll say border, and make us do rounded empty. So make we say, let's say first. Okay, so make we say padding top py, maybe py3, then px maybe 3 safe. Let's see. Okay, good. So here now we'll call md log. That's how this one look like first. md logout. So this is flex, so ITC. So size, make her try 20. Okay, not bad. So here make her do gap of 3. Okay, so once you click here, it logs you out. So I feel that this might text too big. So text 12px, font to be bold, right? So let's see, not bad. So this is good. So here we'll say cursor to be pointer. So inside here now we'll put our click, right? Makes sense like that. Okay, so brilliant and good. So make we, so this file here, are they kind of skeptical? So it's how we just do now. Say okay, make I cut this. So make I call log off, right? And inside the components, inside this components, make I create log off. RSAE. Okay, so here I will just paste this. Now I want to make this guy a client file, so that's the essence of creating this. So use client, so that inside here I can say on click, right? So that now will come be sign out. You save that. So this component now, if we put down here, so you're not supposed to crash our code. Makes sense. So this one, right, will they run here. Okay, so majorly sha na be this. So our next file or our next work, right, we will come start to implement implement all these things then here, right? One more thing what I feel say make we quickly do now, the fact say make we add create. So that create I will come here and I will copy, maybe I just copy this class, this CSS, right? So inside here, inside here, so I would say create or add photo, so save that. Of course I go want to md maybe create something like that. I see. Okay, so make we fix this thing wey we dey see here. So that one go dey come from here, py, that one go dey come from py. So make I remove this flex one. Yep. So now call that py back. So py na 3. Right. Okay, good. So I want make it come down. So I go say empty to be like maybe 20. Then border, no. So then it makes sense like this, but I would like make a line there. So make we just do this, and inside there make we do h, and I'll see where the line go there. Okay, so see the line there. So make I just do class name empty, maybe 10. So yeah, I'll change here to 10. Okay, good. So we have this. Good. Okay, so here we go stop with this part, right? So in our next part, we will just implement make here they populate from the data. Then of course we feel log out, right? Then what else again? Then we'll come create the endpoint to add image. So now it's what we will do for the next class. See you in that class. Peace out.